Do you remember when you got your diploma? We can all appreciate what they are. It's that piece of paper you received when you graduated from a high school and is now probably packed in the vicinity of your parents' attic. Remember when you went to interview for your initial job? Did they ask you for your diploma? No, as that is very unusual in the workplace environment. A certificate is just a physical representation of your children's intellectual acquirement. It's the grades and credits of their course of study that needs to be kept in a transcript format. A diploma can hold value for you and for your child. This let him or her appreciate that their achievement is valued, and so he or she can be praised for the years of their hard work and determination. Several states offer a program that allows the homeschooled student to obtain a state-accredited certificate. It's good to know the rules of your state in and out if you are homeschooling. As a rule, you won't have many issues or worries with colleges or universities, as they routinely obtain transcripts and test scores from their students in order to be accepted into degree-seeking programs. You and all of your children should be aware of the fact that you all worked very hard to obtain an education at home. The time, the self-discipline, and yes, the enjoyable moments should be awarded. If a certificate is the way you ask to do this, look through your state's rules for state-accredited diplomas, or use online services that can create a certificate that you can frame and cherish. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.